Are you looking to start an affiliate marketing business but you really don't know how it works? Okay, so today I will share with you how affiliate marketing works, and I'm going to share with you the steps. These are 3 steps that you need to follow, alright? My name is Rispa Johnson. I help single mompreneurs learn simple strategies that they can apply in both their business and in their lifestyle. So we go to step number 1. Step number 1 is choosing your niche. Alright, we have 3 big niches out there. The first one is within business, the second one is health and fitness, and the third one is relationship. Alright, so sit down with a pen and paper and think and look at what you are really interested in and dive into just that. So after you've chosen your niche, what you need to do is to go and find a product, right? So find a product or a program out there that will be aligned with your niche and it will actually help solve your niche's problem or your target market's problem. So when it comes to products, there are actually 5 categories. The first one is physical products. So physical products are products that you can touch. These are tangible. Then we have digital products. Digital products are products like softwares and other stuff out there in the internet. And then we have informational products, which are products like online courses. Alright? If you are into selling that kind of stuff, then you can do that. And then we have brick and mortar kind of business, where it's actually a service-based business where you can sell. And then we have one more, the last one, which is actually a franchise business or just a company. If you want to be a part of that, you can do that as well. The choice is yours. So mamas, if you like this information, please share and like my video, and of course subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press that bell button so you are notified whenever I upload new videos. Now, if you are really interested in starting an affiliate marketing business, I am actually in one of an affiliate program right now, and it is very good for the newbies out there. So I'm going to leave the link to the program in the description below. So grab your link and check it out. Alright, you are not going to regret it. You will learn a lot from that program. Alright, mamas? So remember to thrive on purpose and don't settle for less. Work it, mamas. See you on my next video.